Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what are these cards. We have house, dog, and stock. So, Aquarius, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are strengthening yourself. You are building a strong foundation in your work or in your relationship. You both share a beautiful understanding, mutual respect, love, and caring for each other. So, you are building that strong foundation that you need for this relationship to work, guys. And maybe for some reason, if you had doubts or if you were worried whether this person is really trustworthy, reliable, with these cards, it looks like they are really trustworthy, honest, and this person is really dedicated to this relationship, guys. And you need not worry about their honesty. They are reliable and you both share a special bond with each other. And you both share that friendship, companionship with each other. And this person loves to be with you. They love your company. They love to spend time with you and they are really honest. You can trust them, guys. And Aquarius, I also see that there is a good news reaching you today, guys. It may be a positive news in your work or it may be a positive news in this relationship. Maybe this person is coming to propose to you, they want marriage with you, or they are coming with some kind of a good news. Maybe you are having a baby together. So, some positive news, positive communication is what is reaching you, guys. Or for some of you, it may be a new beginning that you are seeing. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, there is someone new coming towards you. They are proposing to you, and maybe you accept them, and you are in a new connection, new love. Or maybe for some of you, you are having a child together, or some positive changes are happening, guys. Maybe you have expected this for some time. Maybe you were expecting a child, and that may be the good news today, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Sun. It is a very positive card here, guys. So all your dreams are coming true, guys, Aquarius. You are feeling inspired, confident, and whatever you expected, that is what is reaching you. Maybe you were expecting someone in your dreams. Maybe that dream person is coming towards you, or you were dreaming about this love. Maybe you were dreaming about both of you getting married. So those dreams are coming true. So all the dreams you had for this relationship, for this love, are coming true, guys. So a very positive card here, Aquarius, for your relationship. So maybe for some reason you are seeing troubles in this connection. All that is going to resolve, and you both are going to have that understanding, harmony, and this relationship is going to bounce back if you are seeing troubles in this connection, guys, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Fox. So, looks like in your work situation there is someone ready to trick you. You need to be really careful, guys, Aquarius, with this person. So, they are posing as your friend or colleague, but they are not to be trusted. So, you need to be really careful, guys. So, that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for you all, guys, for those who chose this first card. It is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us today. So with this angel card, this angel stands for beauty and enlightenment, and this angel assists us in seeing the beauty in the world around us, finding happiness and joy through our own unique creative expression. So in the world around us, we often see so much ugliness, and this angel is here to make us aware of the things that are beautiful no matter what in our situation and appreciate that, guys. So when we lack that spark in our day-to-day life, we feel bored, we don't feel like doing anything, or we feel stuck, unable to think with clarity or point out or identify what we need and what is our dream or goal. When we lack that inspiration, when we lack that spark, this angel is here guiding us, helping us, giving us the answers, clearing the fog, making us see our circumstance with clarity in our day-to-day life, and bringing awareness in our situation, guys. And that awareness is going to make us realize the beauty of our world. Often we lack inspiration because we do not see, we are not aware of the beautiful things that we have, and maybe some creative blocks we have in our work or even in our relationship, whatever it is. This angel is here to guide us, give us ideas and opportunities, making us more inspired, confident in ourselves to move forward positively in our life, guys. So all you need is inspiration, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you can do things that you love to do, maybe. So due to some reason you do not find time to do the things that you love to do, but when we take up activities we love to do, we really feel refreshed, rejuvenated and inspired, feeling confident and happy in our own self. So when we are in that spirit, we are going to relate that in our day-to-day life. That is this card meaning, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, let's see what it is. It is orange calcite. It is an crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you are at your creative best today. You are bubbling with energy, confidence. You want to take up something new. in your life. Maybe you want to, you are on the path to healing yourself from the past. You are feeling creative, you want to express yourself, and you are having intuition or some kind of inspiration in your situation. You want to do something which you love to do. And maybe for some of you, you are moving towards something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be in your work situation or even in a relationship, or it may be some hobbies like drawing, painting, singing, whatever it is, something which you are really passionate about, and something which is going to channel your creative energy, guys. And you are going to help yourself, help your relationship change, become more healthier, become more satisfying because of the way you are. And your relationship is evolving, guys, positively, and your creative energy is at the peak. And if you are working with this other person in this relationship, maybe inspiring them, maybe with your love, or they may be inspiring you with their love towards you. So you are feeling powerful together, having that inspiration when you are with them, and it is taking you towards a deep intimacy, harmony, and you are building the trust you both have with each other, guys. And this is the time for you to build a strong, meaningful connection with this person. And it is also the time for fun and playfulness, being really creative, being spontaneous, having fun, having a lot of humorous time together. So this crystal spirits card stands for that, guys. And it is the card that stimulates us to give up our shyness and be playful and creative, and giving us the strength and courage that we need in our heart to be free with the other person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.